Hi everyone, welcome here at Bart's Fish Tales, and today I'll cook you a delicious recipe out of my veggies and fish cookbook. Nikkei Oysters, which means the delicious combination of the Peruvian and Japanese cuisine. So today's recipe is for 6 oysters. First thing, I'm going to shuck the oysters. If you want to know exactly how to shuck to open an oyster, please click here. Save the liquid. So, 6 lovely oysters to be topped off with 2 delicious toppings. First, make a dressing. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of mirin, half a tablespoon of sake, love sake, and half a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, and half a teaspoon of the oyster liquid. And I give this a good mix. So I top this off with 3 of the oysters. Next step, cucumber. So I take out the seeds. And I finely chop it en brunoise, little squares. So a bit of the cucumber on top. Some freshness, some beautiful color. Spring onion. Cut it halfway lengthwise. Finely chop it. Have it on top. Some ginger. Peel the ginger. So I grate the ginger, maybe like half a centimeter. And I divide it over the oysters. And then a salty, crunchy bite and a beautiful color. We have some salmon roe. You could use any roe, maybe tobacco too. Have it on top of these oysters. And to top it off, a few drops of sesame oil. So that was the first one. Now we go to the second one. And therefore I've got shallot and jalapeno. I'm going to finely chop them both. And I also finely chop this jalapeno. And juice of maybe 1/3 of a lime. Now finally add a few drops of olive oil. Chopped fresh coriander leaves. Well guys, that's it. Easy to make. Time for a taste. The first one. The lovely saltiness of the oyster together with the dressing, and then the crunchiness of the cucumber and the salmon roe. The ginger, it's amazing. Second one. Delicious combination of the lime juice together with this shallot and jalapeno, the spiciness with the stunning oyster. Well guys, Nikkei Oysters. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, any comments, leave them in the box down below. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.
Sound right, boy.